In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your Instagram account to your TikTok profile, enhancing your social media experience and connectivity. This is a great way to not only unify your online presence, but also to make it easier for your followers to engage with you across different platforms. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to open the TikTok app on your device and head to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is your gateway to all profile-related settings and modifications. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines in the top right corner, a common symbol for settings and options. Tap on that to enter the settings and privacy section. Next, navigate to the account settings, where you will find the option to switch to business account. Tapping on this allows you to select your business category, offering you greater flexibility and professional features on TikTok, which can be particularly beneficial if you're a content creator or run a business. Switching to a business account can make it easier to track analytics and customize your profile in ways that cater to your audience or clientele. Once you've set up the business account, it's time to move on to editing your profile. From your profile home screen again, tap Edit Profile. In this section, you'll see various options for updating your personal information, but for now, focus on locating the social accounts section. This is where the magic happens in connecting your profiles, making your content seamlessly available across platforms. Now, let's move on to linking your Instagram account. Within the social accounts section, tap on Instagram. You'll see an option that says Connect. Go ahead and tap that, then enter your Instagram username and password to log in. At this point, TikTok will request authorization to access your Instagram account. It's crucial to authorize this to enable the link between the two platforms. Once the connection is established, your Instagram handle will visibly appear on your TikTok profile, allowing followers to effortlessly find and follow you on Instagram as well. Finally, let's make sure the connection was successful by verifying it. Return to your TikTok profile where you should now see an Instagram icon. Tap on this icon, and if everything is set up correctly, it should open your Instagram profile automatically. This step not only confirms the successful linkage, but also ensures that your followers can explore and engage with your content across both platforms easily. And there you have it, a fully connected TikTok and Instagram profile setup. This connectivity not only enriches